So I was on a ride with my dog the other day and my gears started skipping really bad and I didn't know what was going on. So I took a look at my derailleur and I found this. That'll do it. I got some kind of material stuck up in there and it just broke my pulley wheel. See, some kind of, I don't know what this is, but I started pedaling, it just broke my derailleur. So I got to change these little pulley wheels. To replace them, I'm going with what I hope is an upgrade. JRC Ceratec purple ceramic pulley wheels. Got them off of Amazon for a pretty decent price. I'll leave a link in the description. I'm just going to put it in the smallest cog. And I'm going to take this wheel off, make it easier. Truth be told, I wish Shimano would make a little lock to keep this open, like SRAM does. Makes it a lot easier to get this wheel off. Alright, so I'm going to take this pulley wheel off. Little 3mm hex key. Alright. Take advantage of this time to clean this area with a little bit of alcohol. And we're going to take out the other pulley wheel the exact same way. Oh, that's in there tight. Yay! Yeah, so all that stuff got caught up in my pulley. Not good. So I'm taking the cage and the rear. I'm going to take the chain and actually put it around there already. So I got it ready to go. Okay. Make sure I'm threading it right, no cross threading. Okay. Alright, we're going to do the same for the rear. Get your chain down there. And I'm going to use the same bolt that we took off the old one. These do not come with bolts, so make sure you hold on to them. Yeah. Can pull that out of your way. Once again, Shimano, get the lock that SRAM has. I really like being able to lock my derailleur. Okay. One thing I will say is when you putting this pulley wheel on, make sure you get the chain between the pulley wheel and this little groove part right here. Don't get it on this side or you'll be stuck. Alright, let's get the wheel back on, see how bad I messed this up and how many times I have to fix my mistakes. Well, it looks nice. I guess time will tell if it rides nice.